So very important question, guys. Very important question. Consider the following context-free grammar where the set of terminals is A, B, C, D, and F. And here it is context-free grammar is given to us. The following is a partially filled LL1 parsing table, right? Now, which one of the following choices represent the correct combination for the numbered cell in the pairing table? Okay, so basically we need to find the answer of this, what we can replace to the 1, what we can replace this 2, how can we replace with 3, and how can we replace this 4, right? So if you will see S on C, right? So basically S derives DAT. So this DAT is already come to the on the D block because it is starting the first of S is D. So okay, and C. So we can't leave it blank, or we can't directly say that it would be blank. Why? Because S deriving RF. And what is first of R? If you will see, first of R is C. So we can replace this with C, right? In this case, the first of S is C. So 1 on the place of 1, we would say that S derives RF would be there, right? So 1 would be on the place of 1, S derives RF would be there. Okay. Now let's check on the second 2, F. So on F, if you will see here, guys, R, that you will say that sir R is there, but if you will see that first of R is epsilon as well. So if I will replace this R with epsilon, now I have left only with F. So first of S, I am getting F as well. It means that I will replace this 2 with S derives RF again. Why? Because if I can replace this R with this CATR, so in that case, first of S would be C, so it would be in the C block. And if I will replace this R with epsilon, in that case, first of S would be F. So I will replace this 2 with RF in F block as well, right? So one is S derives RF, and second is also S derives RF. Third, this third, if you will see T on C, A is there, B is there, and epsilon is there. So A, it is already occupied in A block, it is already occupied in B block, and we have only epsilon. So if epsilon is there, then this block 3, it will be replaced with epsilon, because epsilon is there. Then we have to put it into every block. So T derives epsilon would be on the place of 3, and on the place of 4, if you will see dollar. So in this block as well, T derives epsilon would be there. Okay, guys, T derives epsilon would be there also in dollar. Okay. So because we have epsilon denotation here, that is why, right? So if you will see, observe 1 and 2 SRF, no, only option D is the correct answer, that S derives RF, T derives epsilon, and T derives epsilon. Option D is correct answer for this one, guys.